While the mold is being finished, in the yard, the raw materials are being gathered. And that raw material isn't pure cast iron bought from a supplier. It's scrap, gaskets, scrap iron plates, broken machine parts. Cast parts that have reached the end of their life cycle, any piece of iron that can be collected and sorted. As the temperature rises, the solid scrap metal begins to glow a faint cherry red at first, then a bright orange, then a dazzling yellowish white as it softens and transitions completely from solid to liquid. On the surface of the molten metal, a thick, dark layer begins to form. This is slag non-metallic impurities from the scrap metal that separate from the molten metal due to difference in density. The slag is lighter and floats to the surface. Each tooth, each surface, each shaft hole, crafted entirely by hand in an open-air workshop in Pakistan. The workers and even the workshop's children gather around the finished gear for a commemorative photo. This is a small, very human moment. They have created something real, something that will bear loads, transmit power, and last longer than most people watching this video. It deserves to be preserved. Don't let this open-air workshop fool you. What's being manufactured here isn't a common mechanical part. This is a heavy-duty, 3-stage geared industrial gearbox, a mechanical device that, when completed, takes the full power output of a large industrial engine and converts it into controlled torque at the right speed and torque to operate a mill, a rolling mill, or the drive system of a heavy production line. The reason thermal cutting is used instead of mechanical cutting is that the thick steel plates used for heavy-duty gearbox housings can be as thick as 20 to 30 millimeters beyond the economic capabilities of a conventional mechanical saw, but entirely within the capabilities of an oxy-gas flame. The thermal cut leaves a narrow heat-affected zone that later needs to be ground clean, but the track accuracy of the cutting tool is perfectly sufficient for this roughing stage. The worker takes out sheets of red, high-strength rubber standard industrial gasket material, resistant to heat, oil, and pressure, and carefully measures the dimensions of the flange to be sealed with calipers. Then, using scissors, he manually cuts each piece of gasket to the required shape and size. There are no gasket stamping machines, no molds, only rulers, chalk, scissors, and the worker's hands knowing what to do. The surface was then carefully wiped to remove any metal dust, machining grease, and organic contaminants. A clean and dry steel surface is a prerequisite for good paint adhesion. Paint adhering to grease will peel prematurely, no matter how high the quality of the paint.
Industrial grey blue anti-rust paint was mixed and manually applied to the entire exterior surface. This is what Pakistani craftsmen create every day, not with modern machinery, but with a combination of the right tools, deep craftsmanship, and a genuine understanding of mechanics. And what they create will function for decades. Thank you so much for watching to the end.